Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Civ 6 on Deity difficulty. To begin, always seek a strong starting location with fresh water and bonus resources. Your first build should be a scout to uncover the map and find valuable city-states or natural wonders. Next, produce a few early military units to protect your capital from barbarians and the AI's initial aggression. Quickly settle your second city to secure more land and resources. As you move into the mid-game, focus on developing your cities with essential districts like campuses for science and commercial hubs for gold. Always maintain a robust military to discourage the AI from declaring war. Strategic diplomacy, including favorable trades and alliances, can be incredibly helpful. Decide on your preferred victory condition, whether it's science, culture, or domination, and then align your research and city builds to achieve it. In the late game, it's crucial to specialize your cities. Dedicate some to high science output, others to culture, and some to production. Make sure to recruit and utilize great people strategically, as they provide powerful boosts towards your victory condition. Spies are invaluable for disrupting your rivals' progress and safeguarding your own vital districts. Finally, prepare for your ultimate victory push, ensuring every element is perfectly aligned for success. Remember, flexibility is key on Deity difficulty. Adapt your strategy based on your starting position, chosen civilization, and the leaders around you. Prioritize production and gold in the early stages to quickly build infrastructure and units. Always monitor the AI's intentions and be ready to defend yourself or launch an offensive. If your initial start feels overwhelmingly difficult, do not hesitate to restart for a better chance at victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.